Today I want to do a full walkthrough of Enfin TPO product. Please note they have both loan and PPA opportunities with Enfin. So make sure that you're using this system for the TPO training process. So first thing you want to do is log into Enfin, click TPO, and go directly to Aurora Connect. From there, you'll notice a pop-up comes up, and it takes you to the Aurora portal so you can build your design and create a new project. If you have pop-up blockers on, you will not get into Aurora. Also, if you're logged in at anywhere else on your computer, you cannot get into Enfin with ESP. So please log out of all of your Enfin accounts, and then you'll be set for success. So moving forward, you can click New Project. From New Project, you can add the homeowner's address and name. Make sure it's the correct address selected in the drop-down menu. From there, you can fill out the customer profile. Please note that if you get the email wrong, and I say this a lot, you will have a massive disturbance in your sales process when you go to apply for the product. So make sure that this is all correct, the contact points. Now, first thing you should do is click on the expert model. It'll say add new design. The Aurora team is going to build this for you. Click that, and when they're done, you'll see the design request is completed. You can immediately go into sales mode, and they're going to generate your proposal for you. From here, you're going to be able to adjust your proposal accordingly to the homeowner's needs, wants, and goals. So first things first, go to the top center and work your way from left to right. So starting with the usage, you can input the pre-solar rate. And please make sure it's the right region. If you have the incorrect one selected, this will get kicked back and you will have to start the whole process over again, credit included. So please make sure you have the right utility and then choose your current usage. You can use annual or you can go to a monthly interval data. You can also include dollar amount too. So with that being said, I chose 9,000 kilowatt hours for the year. Post solar rate, make sure that it's not a care or discount program. If it is, Aurora will not accept it at this time. So that's completed. We're going to go from left to right. So the next is click on the home design. Here you can turn on and off panels. So in this case, I'm going to remove 2 panels. We're going to focus only on the east side, and then you can choose recalculate. Obviously, your goal here is to match the percentage offset that you're hoping to attain with a client. Once that calculation is completed, we can move forward to the next stage, which is battery opportunity here. So choose your storage setup. They do have a list of products ESP does not currently offer. The Q cell battery. We are not utilizing that. So Powerwall 3 or the IQ 5P is an opportunity. So I'm going to click Powerwall 3, and the Powerwall is always set up for partial backup. So in this case, we will lean on energy arbitrage. Do not choose backup only. Lean on self-consumption or energy arbitrage. In this case, since this Powerwall, like I said, we're going to go to energy arbitrage, and the suggested model is 10% for backup capacity. You can choose the number of batteries here, and you can go from 1, 2, 3, 4, and so forth. Do what feels necessary for the project and your solar family. So we got that dialed in. It's calculating your system. And now we're going to move to the next one, which is pricing. There's nothing that actually needs to be done here. So I'm going to go ahead and skip this one and go right into pricing. Now notice that there's 2 options in the dropdown. We are only working with Enfin TPO. You cannot do a cash purchase in this system. So please never select that. Click Enfin. And now you can choose your specific product. We're going to go with either a 0, 299, or a 3.5. In this case, I'll choose 3.5. You'll know your system size here, your inverter choices, and Powerwall 3. Oh, something has gone wrong. So let's just see. Maybe I clicked on something. So let's go back. Pretty simple. Go to sales mode, design, financing. Choose your product. There is a decent chance that it might be due to the usage history here. Great. So now we have our solar rate schedule. And based on savings analysis, it looks like 25.5 cents is the cheapest product or most expensive opportunity available for that homeowner before savings is no longer suggested by NFIN. This is not controlled by ESP in any way, shape, or form, so please know that. In this case, this is the gross EPC price per watt, always gross. You will need to account for all of your adders within your project. If you have $2 worth of adders and you want to be selling at $4 a watt, you need to make sure you are at $6 a watt because you have $2 in adders. So in this case, I'm going to choose 22.5 cents. Click save. Now the beauty here is that once this comes into play, it'll give you your year one monthly payment. That year one monthly payment is worst case scenario. So $231. Should the homeowner opt in for ACH, they will get a $10 discount, which is beautiful. So technically this is $221, $10 discount in this case. Homeowner's excited. We're moving forward. Apply now. This will bring up an application on your screen, but it automatically sends out the application via email to the client. The homeowner can do it on their end as well. When the application is completed for credit, you'll get approval or denial. Hopefully they're approved. Good news. Next step is to go ahead and clear any stipulations that might come into play. Once the stipulations are cleared, then it's asked for ACH. ACH, opt in or opt out. If the homeowner chooses to opt out, that's okay. Wait till their first payment, and then the homeowner can opt in for ACH by calling NFIN directly, and then they will get that $10 discount. So waiting is okay. From there, it'll go directly to contract signing. Only the homeowner will have to sign for this product. So just know that once you click apply now, it's pretty much hands-free. Everything goes to the homeowner's email. Once the homeowner signs that contract, I want you to go ahead and contact NFIN via the welcome call. That does need to be completed with them. By the way, all of the partner support hotlines are listed here. So go ahead and notate this, take a screenshot if you will. Now, in order to track your project, you can go directly back to NFIN and look at all projects. Your project might be listed here and you'll know with the status where they're at in the system. I hope that helps, and thank you for using ESP with NFIN.